Hey everyone! If you've worked in Microsoft Word for any amount of time, you have surely come across the problem of needing to delete a page that seemingly just will not delete. So for example, we've got a page right here, and maybe I hit the delete key on my keyboard or the backspace key, and just nothing is happening. I can't get rid of that page. So I'm going to show you a few different ways to get rid of them here in this video. The first thing you want to do is come up here on your Home tab and click on the Show Hide button to show paragraph marks and other formatting symbols. This is really key to understanding what's going on in your document and how those blank pages got there in the first place. And that will determine how to get rid of them. So this blank page right here, we have some extra paragraph markers, but the reason this page even exists is because of this section break right here on the first page. If we were to get rid of this section break, just by selecting it and hitting delete on the keyboard, that will get rid of the next page, which in our case was empty. The same is true of just a regular page break. So this page break right here is causing us to drop down to the next page, and then this page break causes us to drop onto this page. So I can just get rid of this second page break right here. That'll bring the page up and get rid of the empty page. Now, another reason you might have a blank page is that somebody has just entered a whole bunch of return keys or paragraph markers here to bump you down to the next page. So in this case, you will just need to delete these. You can select them with your mouse, hit the delete or backspace key on your keyboard. And there we go. And then the last one, which can be the most frustrating, tends to happen at the end of a table. Let me zoom in just a little bit so we can see this one better. So I've got the table here that takes up the whole page, and then it's running onto the second page with just a single carriage return. And if I hit my delete key on the keyboard, or the backspace key, or if I select it and try to delete it, just nothing happens. I can't get rid of this final page. The only way I have found around this is just select the paragraph marker, and then you want to make the font size smaller. So you can do that up on your Home tab, decrease your font size, or select the number here, maybe a number 8, and that makes it small enough that it goes to the page above, and it'll get rid of that last page. So we have no blank page at the end of the document now. So that does it. The way you delete pages will kind of depend on why they got there in the first place, but those are a few tips that will hopefully help. If you like bite-sized content like this, give me a thumbs up and also consider subscribing to the channel for more. Thanks so much for watching.